There was a window board in this basement. It was covered in tiles. Couldn't really get the tiles off. It was starting to damage the window board, so lost patience with it and just ripped it out. So I'm going to replace it with this. It's a piece of 18mm MDF, moisture resistant stuff. It's not really thick enough. It wants to be 22mm or even 25, but it's the same as what's come out. So I'm going to put a round on the edge, and if you use a router, I've done a couple of cuts here to show you. If you use a router with a bearing bit, see the bearing bit there, you do one cut fine, but the second cut sits inside this round, if that makes sense, and you end up with a step on the edge. So I'm using my fence, and that then helps you. It runs along this front edge. You just need to set the distance right there, and you get a full round without that step. There you go, no step. It's a slight mark where the tube joint, but I can't feel anything there. Just need to give that a sand. I've only gone that distance because it's going to get chopped in for the window. It's going to get cut like that, probably right up here. So I've just given that a quick sand. The window's done. This is how much it needs to get cut back by, like that, to go around there. The old window board had tiles on it. It's just a piece of 18mm MR. So I need to make this to fit. Cut it round there. That's the distance that I've got there. So from that point there to that point there is the gap between here. What I'll do is I'll set my scribers to that distance, mark that, cut it. Alright, these haven't got a point, but it doesn't matter. Prefer these in a way to my scribers because I can adjust them by one hand like that. So if I wind that to that point there, this board's touching the window. It will be. So cut that off. I've got that. I'll turn it round. So that's ends in now. And I'll mark that one. So I've got tram lines, but I know it's this one because it joins up with that mark there. And I got fixed down to the front wall, to that batten that was already there on the back. Like I say, I'm just replacing it same for same. Start getting on with these now.